Hey it's guys, it's Melanie. Today we are making another DIY and I'm kind of excited about this one right here. This was $1. This was $1. I added some popsicle sticks. I used this guy to stain it. If you're new here, these are amazing. You'll see in a second. Anyway, yeah, let me show you how I made it and what I put in it. And I super think this is super cute. This is cute. All right, let's do this. All right, so what I've been doing instead of staining or painting is using these markers. They're from Dollar Tree. I don't know if you see my video of me trying to use these for the first time. It was this epiphany. Guys, these are where it's at. 3 come in a pack. I'll link the video below. This shade is my favorite. It says cherry. They're basically markers, but it's meant if you have something that has this color that's been chipped, you can kind of fill it in. But guys, I've been using these kind of as a stain. There's a trick to it, and I'm going to show you. I've been doing it to this box, and I would do it to the part that goes on the back as well. So the trick is you cannot just color it willy-nilly because it'll leave marker marks. I tried using water to fix it. It didn't work so well. But if you use it like this from one side all the way to the other, and that's the only way you go, commit to it. If they overlap a little bit, they've been looking pretty well. It looks amazing. I love the way this looks. It's so much, it's less of a mess and a hassle than if you use stains. So I'm going to show you guys. Check this out. Actually, maybe I should just bring you guys in closer. Let's bring you guys in closer. All right. This is not, let me try to array focus. There. So I've done the top. I'm doing this right here. Let's try to do this again. This lighting is not the best. All right, so you gotta come. We do this little inside. Does it fit? Oh, it doesn't really fit too well on the inside one. Oh, jeebus. We're gonna have to fix that. Okay, so there we go. Lighting's not the best. Okay. All the way across, because if you don't, you can tell it's marker if you color it. But if you do this, you can do a couple layers if you want. Guys, this is so much easier than getting out the stain, and you can totally pick these up at Dollar Tree. You see? Can you see it? Yes? Yes! It looks so good. Look at that. I love. You may want to seal it, of course, afterwards if you want to, with some clear paint, with some polyurethane, whatever you want. But guys, love. All right, so I don't know if I'm going to do the inside or not because I don't think it's necessarily going to be showing. I don't know. I may end up fixing that. However, here's my plan, Jan. I'm going to put this up here and I'm going to glue this down using wood glue. I think that's going to hold well, using some popsicle sticks to secure it to the back. Now, my plan is I want to hang this on the wall. Of course, you don't have to hang yours on the wall. You can set it up somewhere. But if I want to hang on the wall, I want to make sure it's actually secure. I think that the wood glue is going to do that with the extra security there. So anyway, however you want to do it, be aware that if you hang it on the wall, you know, you got to make sure it's secure or this part will come undone. So I got some popsicle sticks. My plan is just to, from Dollar Store, of course, do something like this. So the kind of crappy part is I can't just let it sit while it's drying, unless I do it like this. It's not going to line up. Because this, yeah, I didn't stain the back. That's going to be shown hanging up on the wall. So I guess I'm just going to have to roll with the punches here. So I'm going to put just a little bit. I don't want it to flow. I've already done it. Okay. Just a bit through here. I don't want it to flow out the front. It's already flowing out the back. Okay. And then connect it to where it's flush in the back. And then I am going to try to hold this up. Girl, this is not working. Okay. And then I'm going to put some glue here. Hopefully I'm doing this correctly, but I feel like if this is on the wall, it's not gonna show my mistakes because Lord knows I'm making the mistakes. Okay. Let's see if I can get this, make sure it's even. Lay down popsicle stick. No, Melanie, my goodness gracious. What am I doing? Okay. And then the other side. Okay. So I gotta figure out a way to prop this up so it can dry. Push that down nicely. And then hopefully I may have to push that in. Yes. Just kind of hold it like this. Y'all, I may just hold it like this or just have to clamp the 2 popsicle sticks up. And I feel like it's going to stay up like that pretty good. Pretty well, I mean. I don't know if I'm going to do the inside of the box. I feel like whatever I put in there, I may cover it up like a plant or something, like a fake succulent. Or I might use this as something totally different and may need to. But so far, this is what it looks like. All right, I'm going to let this dry. And then I'll come back and tell y'all what I'm going to do with it.